Hello everybody! On this short video, we're going to explain how to bounce between concurrent virtual events. You'll notice at the top of your screen, there is a little drop down that says events. Often the name of your event will be on the left. Left click events, a drop down menu will appear, noting the name of your keynote speakers. If you wish to say visit keynote speaker number 2, left click keynote speaker 2. It will redirect for a moment. Nothing you need to do. And now you'll notice at the top of the screen, it says eSAX Keynote Speaker 2. So now we are only watching what's happening with Keynote Speaker 2. If you wish to join a different concurrent session, left click the option that says Events, and they say, okay, let's go to Keynote Speaker 3. Left click that. Again, just as redirecting you, nothing you need to do. Now you'll notice the option that says Keynote Speaker 3. If, you've had enough of Keynote Speaker 3, you want to go back to the main event, let's say Keynote Speaker 1, you left click the events, and that's how you toggle back and forth between concurrent events. So we hope you have a fantastic experience, and thank you so much for joining us.